Hello, friends. Friends, this is Australia. Mysterious wonders of the nature. Really mysterious. You amazing, spectacular. Can't understand how these have been formed. The how this the creator of this world, the God, how made these thousands in numbers. This place is called the Pinnacle Desert. So these structures, limestone structure, are called pinnacles, and these are thousands and thousands in numbers here, and spread over 17,500 hectares landscape. There is another wonderful phenomenon of this. You can see this is a yellow desert, yellow sand, and only this 17,500 hectares. All around this, friends, from Perth to this place, it is around 200 kilometer. All around this is white sand uh, dunes or white sand landscapes, and on one side there are all around white sand landscapes. On another side there is very beautiful blue sea that is called the Coral Coast, and this place is Nambang National Park near Coral Coast, and around 200 kilometers away from the Perth city. So, friends, what is this? This is the natural limestone structures formed around 25,000 to 30,000 years ago. So, some of these structures rise up to 3.5-meter high. And, friends, these limestone spires, many of them resemble the tombstones, many of them resemble the mushrooms. They are some of are jagged, sharp edged columns rising to point, sharp edged, rising through eerie yellow sand, friends. And this is very famous tourist place all over the world. Around 3 lakh visitors visit this site every year, giving a spectacular view, especially in the morning and in the evening when the sunrise and the sunset. Their shade gives a beautiful view. So, friends, uh, strange otherworld environment, a walk trail formed over millions of years, and these pinnacles are thousands and thousands in numbers, spread over 17,500 hectares. So, friends, really amazing sight. One can see the creations of the creator, the God. This is said about these structures that basically this is a seabed. When the sea reduced, then these limestone structures formed over millions of years, came to sight. Amazing, friends. A walker's trail giving a very pleasant and surprising view. Really different experience to see all this. Anybody, whensoever he comes to Perth, I recommend a must place to visit. So, friends, really, the science, the nature, the God's wonders, the magic of the God, really wonderful. You can see yourself how the